Unicorns and Saiga Antelope, the origins of myths. Unicorns, magical, one-horned creatures, have fascinated humans for centuries. From ancient civilizations to modern fairy tales, these mythical beings have appeared in stories of bravery, purity, and mystery. But where did the idea of unicorns come from? One of the most unexpected real-life inspirations for the unicorn legend might be the Saiga antelope, a rare and unusual-looking animal that roams the grasslands of Central Asia. With its strange, curved nose and sometimes deformed horns, the Saiga could have influenced the unicorn myth and other legendary creatures. Let's explore how ancient people might have mistaken real animals for mythical unicorns and how the Saiga antelope fits into the story. The legend of the unicorn. Unicorns appear in many cultures across the world, including heavy checkmark. Ancient Greece and Rome, Greek writers described unicorns as real creatures found in India, often comparing them to wild horses with a single horn. Heavy checkmark. China, the qilin, a unicorn-like creature, symbolized wisdom and good fortune. Heavy checkmark. Medieval Europe, unicorns were believed to be pure and magical, capable of healing diseases and purifying water with their horns. Throughout history, unicorns were depicted as noble and elusive creatures, but they may have been inspired by real animals seen by travelers and explorers. The Saiga antelope, a real-life unicorn. The Saiga antelope is one of the most unique animals on Earth. Found in Kazakhstan, Mongolia, and parts of Russia, it has several characteristics that may have contributed to unicorn myths. Heavy checkmark. Strange, bulbous nose. Unlike any other antelope, the Saiga's flexible nose helps filter dust and warm the air in cold climates. Heavy checkmark. Slender, fast body. Similar to horses, Saigas are built for speed, able to run up to 80 km per hour, 50 miles per hour. Heavy checkmark. One-horned individuals. While most Saigas have two horns, injuries or genetic mutations sometimes result in a single horn, resembling the mythical unicorn. Ancient travelers or hunters might have seen a one-horned Saiga from a distance and mistaken it for a magical creature. Other real animals that inspired unicorn myths. Besides the Saiga antelope, several other animals may have contributed to unicorn legends. Heavy checkmark. Narwhals. The Vikings once sold narwhal tusks as unicorn horns, claiming they had magical healing properties. Heavy checkmark. Indian rhinoceroses, large, solitary, and possessing a single horn, these animals were likely mistaken for unicorns by ancient explorers. Heavy checkmark. Oryx antelopes. When viewed from the side, the two long horns of an oryx can appear as a single horn. These real-life creatures may have sparked imagination and led to the creation of magical unicorn legends. The decline of the Saiga antelope. Unfortunately, unlike unicorns, Saiga antelopes are not immortal. Today, they face serious threats. Heavy checkmark. Poaching. Their horns are highly valued in traditional medicine. Heavy checkmark. Habitat loss. Expanding agriculture and climate change threaten their grassland homes. Heavy checkmark. Disease outbreaks. In recent years, mass deaths due to disease have nearly wiped out entire herds. Scientists and conservationists are working hard to protect these rare animals, ensuring that they don't disappear like the mythical unicorn. Conclusion: a myth with real roots. Unicorns may be creatures of legend, but they were likely inspired by real-life animals like the Saiga antelope, narwhals, and rhinos. These extraordinary creatures, though not magical, are just as fascinating and worthy of protection. So, while we may never see a true unicorn, the Saiga antelope and other amazing animals remind us that nature is full of mystery, wonder, and magic, sometimes, even more incredible than myths.